Hello students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes, and this is your biology class. Students, today I am going to start this unit 2, food chains and energy transfer. So, what is food chain? Actually, you know that all the living things need food as they require food for the growth and for their movement, for their various activities. If they have no food, if means they are starved of food. So what is happening? If they are starved of food, they actually get weak and finally they die. So as you know that, as I have already told you, that food plant is a food producer and all the animals are referred to food consumer. Okay, means all the plants are food producer, they produce the food, and all the animals are food consumer because they consume food from plants. And student, what is food chain? Actually a food chain is a diagram or chain showing what animals eat. You know that there's a as you know that the green plants, all the green plants are producers, so they produce food and this food is utilized by the animals. So there's a chain, means plants produce food and animals utilize these food. So there is a chain. So actually the food chain is also a chain that's showing what the animals eat, or in another way we can say that the process of eating and being eaten is called food chain. Okay, how this is the process of eating and being eaten, you can understand by the example. The given example first is grass. Grass is eaten by the rabbit or the deer or the sheep. In the absence of rabbit means grass is eaten by any of the herbivore animal. Like either they can be rabbit, deer, sheep, grasshopper, rat. Any of the herbivore animal eat the grass. Okay, so grass eat by the herbivore animal and the herbivore animal is now being eaten by the lion, by the carnivore animal. So there is a chain of eating and being eaten. Deer eat the grass and now deer is being eaten by the lion. So this is a food chain. This is a linear food chain which show a chain of eating and being eaten. Okay. Now next example is a plant. Plant is consumed by the human beings. Third example, grass. Insect eat grass and now insect is eaten by the birds. Fourth example, algae. Algae means this is the example of aquatic food chain because algae is grown in the water. So algae is eaten by the insect which is live or in the water. That insect eat the algae and now those insects are being eaten by the small fish, and then small fish is being eaten by the large fish. So this is the food chain of water, of a pond, river, lake. Means this is the aquatic food chain, and these first three food chain is a land food chain. Okay, grassland food chain means. Fifth, grass is eaten by the insect and insect is being eaten by the frog. And now frog is being eaten by the snake is being eaten by the frog. So there is a food chain, the animals who eat and is also being eaten. एक एनिमल जो दूसरे एनिमल को ईट कर रहा है वो दूसरे एनिमल के द्वारा भी वो उसका प्रे कर रहा है. दिस इज द food chain is showing a chain or diagram which is eaten and being eaten. Next is food web. Students, you know that in nature the simple food chain do not operate. Actually, a number of food chain are interconnected. So the interconnected or interlocking pattern of food chain is known as food web. Actually, there is lots of food chain are present in the nature, and they are obviously they are interconnected. So the interconnected interlocking pattern of the food chain is called food web. For example, this is a grass, and grass is eaten by the grasshopper, but in the absence of grasshopper, the grass can also be eaten by the rat. It also been eaten by the rabbit, also eaten by the beetle. Means any of the herbivore animal eat the grass. Okay, then what happened? These herbivore animals are being eaten by the carnivore animals. So this herbivore animal means rat is eaten by the fox. Okay, beetle is also eaten by the fox, rabbit is also eaten by the fox, and this is the owl is also carnivore animal. This rabbit is also eaten by the owl, this rat is also eaten by the owl. So there is in this is a one food chain. Grass eat the rat eat the grass, and rat is being eaten by the fox. This is one food chain. Next food chain, the grass, this is a grass, and rabbit is a herbivore animal, so rabbit eat this grass. Now rabbit is being eaten by this fox. This is another food chain. Now one food chain, beetle eat the grass, beetle is being eaten by the fox. This is another food chain. Now there is interconnecting pattern, means all the food chain are connected by this fox, by this grass. So we can say this is the food web. The interconnecting interlocking pattern of a food chain is called food web, where there are producers, means all the green plants are eaten by this green plants is called producer, and this producer is being eaten by several herbivore animal, and these several herbivore animal are also being eaten by the several carnivore animal. So there is a interconnection interlocking pattern that is called food web. Next is the energy pathway. Students, in food chain the transfer of energy take place from one organism to another organism, means in the form of food. Actually, the transfer of food means the energy is transferred in the form of food from one organism to another organism. This is shown in the food chain. You can already learn the food chain. The food, what is happening in the food chain? Actually, there is a transfer of energy or transfer of food from one organism to another organism. Students, the energy cannot be created, neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, means ना energy को हम destroy कर सकते हैं, ना ही इसको create कर सकते हैं. So the primary source of energy on the earth is the sun. Sun is the primary source of energy on this earth. So every food chain is start with the sun. You know that how? Because in the food chain all the green plants which is known as producers, they produce food by taking the energy, by absorbing the energy from the sun. Now these green plants are eaten by the herbivore animals, then herbivore animals are eaten by the carnivore animals. So energy is transferred from sun to producers, then to herbivore animals, then to carnivore animals. Okay, so there is actually the transfer of food. We can also say that there is a transfer of food, as well as we can also say that there is a transfer of energy from one organism to another organism. So in another word we can say that food chain also show the energy pathway. Okay, means food chain, there is a food chain show the transfer of food, as well as it also show the energy pathway, how the energy is transferred from one place to another. Look at this diagram. Green plants absorb the sunlight to produce food. Now these green plants are eaten by the plant eater, or we can say that herbivore animals. Herbivore animals eat the green plants, and now these herbivore animals or herbivore animals को हम plant eater भी कहते हैं, और herbivores animals क्या eat करते हैं? Plant eater. That's why they are called plant eaters. And these plant eater or herbivore animals are eaten by the animal eater. Animal eater means carnivore animals. Okay, carnivore animals क्या करते हैं? Herbivore animals को eat करते हैं. But finally, when the green plant dead, okay, when the herbivore animal dead and when the carnivore animal dead, when they die, they are decomposed by the decomposers. The dead bodies of green plants, herbivores and carnivore animals are decomposed by decomposers. And these decomposers decompose the dead bodies of green plants, plant eater, animal eater into simpler substance. Okay, ये dead bodies होती हैं इनकी, वो decomposers कौन होते हैं? Bacteria and fungi. ये डिकम्पोजर्स इनकी डेड बॉडीज को सिंपलर सब्सटेंस में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. एंड नाउ दिस सिंपलर सब्सटेंस इज absorbed by the green plants for their growth. जो green plants growth के लिए सनलाइट से सन की एनर्जी को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं और फिर इन सिंपलर सब्सटेंस को यूज करते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मिनरल्स के फॉर्म में सिंपलर सब्सटेंस का यूज करते हैं फॉर देयर ग्रोथ. सो अल्टीमेटली द एनर्जी इज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द सन to green plants, then to plant eaters, then to animal eaters, and after the death the energy which is stored in these bodies. जब ये इन plants herbivore एनिमल्स की डेथ होती है तो जो एनर्जी की बॉडी में स्टोर है वो रिलीज करते हैं ये डिकम्पोजर्स और इनको किस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, इन सिंपलर सब्सटेंस में स्टोर कर देते हैं. देन ये सिंपलर सब्सटेंस इज एब्सॉर्ब बाय द ग्रीन प्लांट्स. फिर ये एनर्जी का ट्रांसफर कहाँ हो जाता है, ग्रीन प्लांट्स में. सो वी कैन से दैट दिस इज द पाथवे ऑफ एनर्जी और द फ्लो चार्ट ऑफ द एनर्जी which is shown also in the food chain. So now this is the energy pathway. Now what is trophic level? Actually the trophic level, the various links or steps representing by the organism in a food chain in which the transfer of energy take place are called trophic level. Means in a food chain, what is showing in a food chain, there are various trophic level in a food chain which show the transfer of energy, transfer of food. So they are called trophic level. You can understand by this diagram. This is the producer, means all the green plants. The first, always the food chain start with the autotrophs, means the producer. So this is the producers. Producer constitute the first trophic level because energy is transferred from the producer. ग्रीन प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं, सन से एनर्जी को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, फिर वहीं से एनर्जी का ट्रांसफर होना स्टार्ट होता है. सो इट फॉर्म्स द फर्स्ट ट्रॉपिक लेवल. नाउ व्हेन द हार्बिवोर एनिमल ईट द प्रोड्यूसर, द एनर्जी ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द हार्बिवोर एनिमल्स बॉडी. सो this forms or this constitute the second trophic level. Now what happened when this herbivore animal is being eaten by the carnivore? ये जो carnivore animals इन herbivore animals को eat करते हैं तो एनर्जी का जो ट्रांसफर होता है वो होता है फ्रॉम द बॉडी ऑफ herbivores to the carnivore. So this constitute the third trophic level. Now what happened then, this carnivore is eaten by the top carnivore. So इनकी इस कार्निवोर की बॉडी से एनर्जी का ट्रांसफर टॉप कार्निवोर में होता है, तो ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं फोर्थ ट्रॉपिक लेवल. सो द एनर्जी इज फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम द प्रोड्यूसर टू हार्बिवोर, कार्निवोर, टॉप कार्निवोर, and the each step representing the trophic level in a food chain. This is called first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level, and fourth trophic level. Students, now this is the trophic level is finished, and the next topic is ecological pyramids. We will discuss the ecological pyramids in our next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.